There's some farting going around my chute, reaching the butthole, and I think it's very hard. Yesterday I ate my lima beans, and since then I've been grinding all my teeth. I will surrender with just another fart. I know it's raunchy, but I know we all love that.